Okay, guys, I'm going to do part 3 of the midterm practice, where I'm going to do numbers 21 through number 30. Okay, let's get this done. 21 8 teams are participating in a soccer tournament. So we have 8 teams playing. Okay, and it says how many games will be played if each team plays each other exactly once. So Team 1 will play Team 2, 1 versus 3, 1 versus 4, 1 versus 5, 1 versus 6, 1 versus 7, and 1 versus 8. So Team 1 will play 7 games. Every team will play 7 games, but they will only play each other one time. So Team 2 will not play Team 1. They will skip right to Team 3. 2 and 4, 2 and 5, 2 versus 6, 2 versus 7, and 2 versus 8. So this game is 7. Team 2 played 6 different games because they played already Team 1. And then it goes down from there. So Team 3 will play 5 games. Team 4 will play 4 different games. Team 5 will play 3 games. Team 6 will play 2 games. Team 7 will play 1 game. And Team 8 will already have played. So when you add up how many different games, this is 7 plus 6 is 13 plus 9, 22 plus 5, 27, and 1 more is 28. So the answer is D. 22. Tim, Antonia, Luana, Trevor, Ling, T are all friends, live in the same street. Tim lives between Trevor and Antonia. So let's write that down. We have Tim. Here's Trevor. And here's Antonia. And then it says Tia lives between Antonia and Ling. Tia lives between Antonia, so here's Tia, and here's Ling. Okay? Ling lives between Tia and Luanda. Well, here's Tia, and this is Luanda. Okay? Who lives between Tim and Tia? Well, if you just draw this up, here's Tim, here's Tia, Antonia does. Answer is D for number 22. 23. If you look at the picture, the 2 planes, try to draw this without screwing it up for you guys. Picture looks something like this. Okay, well, this is a triangular shape, and the only 2 planes that are congruent are going to be this plane here, and I'm sorry, not congruent, this plane here. It says parallel. Which 2 planes appear to be parallel? Those are the only 2 that appear to be parallel. So that answer is NPM, which is in QRS. So the answer is D. MNP and QRS. 24. Which pair of segments in the figure appear to be parallel? Again, parallel. They have to be on the same plane, so that's why DH and BF are not parallel. Okay? They're not on the same plane. BC and FG are parallel, and AB and EF are parallel. So the answer has to be well, the answer is C, all of these, because DH and BF are parallel, I guess. Okay, so the answer is all of these. 25. Find the measures of angle 3 and angle 2. The lines L and M are parallel. Okay, so this is going back to our alternate interior angles. This is 120. That means that this angle is 120 because they're corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are congruent. So angle 2 is 120. Look at your answers. The answer A has angle 2 at 120. Answer C has angle 2 at 120. Well, if this is 120, this has to be 60 because this is a linear pair. So angle 3 is 60, angle 2 is 120. And that answer is going to be angle or answer A. Okay. Number 26. Find the slope of the line. Okay, good old slope formula. So that first point, if you look at the picture while you're doing this, you should be, by the way, you got to find the first point is -3, -5. So first point is -3, -5. And the second point is 6, -6. So we got 6, -6. Use the slope formula. -6 plus, I'm sorry, it should be a minus sign, so get rid of that. -6 minus a -5 divided by 6 minus -3. We're going to have -1 divided by 9. So our slope is B. Our answer is -1 divided by 9. 27. We got value for x to be parallel. Okay, well, looks like this with 5x plus 8 here and 56 here. These are corresponding angles, so they are equal to each other. Subtract 8. 5x equals 48. Divide by 5. Look at your answers. We have an answer that says 48 over 5, and that answer is C. So this is C on the test. 29. Name the sides of triangle HKJ. Okay, so they're talking about the first triangle, H, J, and K. The sides are simply the letters that make up those sides. So it's HJ, JK, HK. HJ, JK, HK. That's B. Answer is B. Remember, the letters can be switched. 29. Decide the triangle is right, acute, or obtuse. If it is a right triangle, name the hypotenuse. Well, this is clearly an obtuse triangle, so the answer is A, because the angle at the bottom is greater than 90 degrees. Okay. Number 30. We have find the value of x. Okay, we have a triangle. X is here, 28 is here. This angle in the corner is 90. We must know this by now. So it's 90 plus 28 plus x equals 180. Add these two together. We have 118 plus x equals 180, and then you subtract 118 from both sides. X is what? 68, correct? 62. Boom, done.